Hello YouTube. Here's a handy little tool, I hope it'll be. I do have a thread file. This is Rotary. You put in your Dremel. But you see the specs there. And this is how you use it. You say the damage is, see where the damage is. You want to start over here and then you want to go this way. So my Dremel tool goes this way, so I want to start here and then go that way in the threads. That way you're digging down into a new thread, right? This is how best I can explain it to you. And you're at the bottom, so you're chewing it out. You wouldn't want to try to go on top of that and dig down. You want to get down to the bottom and peel that stuff out of there as it goes around. If you study, I think you know what I mean. We'll just do this so you can pause on it. We're trying to save and taking a whole lot of pictures. See, CW means counterclockwise. There you go. We'll pause right there, and then we'll take it out of the package and we'll show you it in use on a damaged 3/8 coarse thread. Can't tell you the pitch. Coarse thread and Allen screw that somebody smashed with a hammer. I wonder who did that. Anyway, it's just for simulation. So here we go. Okay, here we go. If it stays focused, you might want to watch your volume. These little Dremel things are noisy. More speed. Okay, let's get an up close view there and see what it looks like. Okay, if the camera stays focused, this is 16 thread sprints. We got our pitch gauge here. Let's go around it where we ground it at. It's probably not going to show up very good because of the brightness. Here's where we repaired it at. Get you a few different angles. I say it would go. You may have to take a little off the top or something with another file. I don't have nothing really to screw it into to see, but I would say it would work. Just a quick test. Looking through the viewfinder and then trying to look around the camera. You know what that's like if you do that. And you cannot zoom on this. This is up close. We're only a few inches away from the lens. There you go. I would say it would work. Try to get an up close picture. So, thanks for watching this little test of this. They do make these in bigger size. I cannot tell you whether it's a 3/4 diameter wheel, but it is bigger and it will cost more. This one is about 15 bucks, but it's going to save me some bolts. I've got a few things around here that the thread file just can't fix, and they're oddball things. So this will definitely go in my drawer that I call my machining drawer. 1/8 inch for your Dremel stuff. Okay, thanks again for watching.